Are you a medical biller who is dreaming about starting a medical billing business? Or maybe you have never even thought about starting a medical billing business, but you've had a few providers come up to you and ask you if you would do their billing for them, and you're like, well, I don't have a billing business. So you're like not really sure about that. But now you are actually thinking about it. But you're a little worried because of your busy schedule, like you have so much to do. Trust me, you are not alone. You can start a medical billing business while still working full-time. Let me show you how. Keep watching. So you know I'm the queen of series here on YouTube. I have a couple series, so if you haven't checked them out, please make sure that you do. But we are starting a new series today, and it is day 1 of that series. And I'll be diving into how you can take your skills as a medical biller and start a medical billing business while still working full-time. This is our new series called From Biller to Billing Business Owner, Balancing Work and Entrepreneurship. Now, here are some benefits for you from this series. Now, I wanted to start this series because I wanted to be a guide for you through my experiences as a medical biller and a medical billing business owner. So my experiences are different from many others. Everyone probably has their own experiences, or everyone does have their own experiences. But I think my experiences can help guide you if you would like to be a medical billing business owner at some point. And we all know, or you know, if you have watched my videos at any time, I am also still working full-time. So while working full-time, I have a medical billing business. And I know there are others who may want to do that as well. And I think I can be of help to you so that you can actually get yours started. Then second, I'd like to help you overcome certain things faster. So for me, it took me a good couple of years, or a good few years, in order to get to certain milestones in my business. And that's because I really didn't have anybody to talk to, anybody to ask any questions with. I was just winging it, just trying to figure it out as I went on. And so I would like to be a help again to you guys, to help you kind of speed up, because if I know something, I don't mind sharing it, and maybe it can help you get to where you want to get a little bit faster. And then there's the part of building community. I would like to build a community here on YouTube for us individuals who are solopreneurs who are still working full-time. Now, you might not think there are many of us out there, but trust me, there are. I have gotten so many comments in my videos here, and I've had people say I've been in billing for 10 years, I've been in billing for 5 years, I want to do this, as a business, while I'm still working. Like, I get those comments all the time. So I realized that this would be a great series to do so that we can form a community with like-minded people that we can bounce ideas and questions off of. Even though this is my video on my channel, when you start to mingle and talk to people in the comments, you can make a friend, maybe someone who's in your area that you don't even know is in your area. You guys can start to talk, and you guys can network and build relationships. And I really want to, again, make that community for you guys and for myself, because sometimes we want help or motivation or a push from people like our family or our friends, but they're not in the same field that we are. They might not know anything about billing. They might want to motivate you and push you, but they just don't know, and they probably don't even know how to do that for you. But when you are around, or you talk to, or you communicate with like-minded individuals just like you, it can be of benefit to you both, where you can share your knowledge and they can share theirs, and then you guys can help each other. Now, I also want you to make sure that you take advantage of my freebies. So I have 2 freebies, one being a quiz and the other one being a checklist. I will make sure to put it on the screen, and it's always in the description box. But I have a free quiz that is helping you find out if you are ready to start a medical billing business. It is not a long quiz. I think it's like 10 questions. So you can take that for free, and it can help you, maybe decide whether or not you even want to start, or maybe it'll push you to say, well, yes, I have all of these things, I want to start. So make sure you do the quiz. The second one I have is a free checklist. So make sure you catch this free checklist when you can, because I don't know how long it's going to be free. So make sure you download it now. But it is a free checklist that is going to help you launch your medical billing business with confidence while you're working your full-time job. It goes through, each step that you need to take in order to make sure that you're confident at the end of this all that you can do this business on your own if you're a solopreneur. So make sure you check that. Again, the link is going to be there. Catch it while it's free, because it might not always be free. Now, I've been a medical biller for 18 years. And out of those 18 years, I have probably been a billing owner for maybe about 15, 14 of those years. And let me explain. So when I officially started my medical billing business, that was about 4.5 years ago. But before that, I have been doing billing for providers on the side. Like, I never really put it together and in my mind that you are actually a billing owner. Now, I didn't have, like a big name, and I didn't do all of that extra stuff. But I was doing billing for providers on the side. I had to pay taxes because you always have to pay taxes. So technically, I was a sole proprietor biller, and I was making money off of that. Now, I didn't make consistent money because I wasn't always billing for a provider. If you've heard my story before, you will know that most of the providers that I have gotten have been through word of mouth. So I wasn't going out there trying to market to them and get business. They were coming to me. And so I never really thought of it as a business. It just was more of, I'm helping this provider, they want me to help them, and that's what I'm doing. So I know how you might feel, number one, if you have never even thought about opening a business, because that was me for a very long time. I was just helping a provider do their billing. So I am definitely one who knows what it feels like to maybe not really think about doing the billing business and just doing it. And then I had to realize, well, hey, you're actually a billing business owner. So again, this series is going to be one of 20 days. So I'm going to do a video for 20 days starting November 1st. And I'm going to upload them every day for the month of November, only on the weekdays. So no weekend videos, just the weekdays. So that should bring about 20 videos that I will be releasing. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because you do not want to miss any of those videos. Also, make sure you comment below and let me know if you are a medical billing business owner. Maybe you're doing it, like you say, on the side, and you're just billing for a provider. Let me know how long you have been billing and how long you have been billing for providers while working your full-time job. So if the idea of starting a medical billing business kind of scares you, then make sure you watch day 2, which will be linked above. I'm going to go over some tips that you can use to overcome fear. I'll see you over there in the next one.